Okay, continue. CF number 3. One who is unable to engage in constant Torah study, but rather sets aside times of the Torah study, should study during those sessions the common laws that are necessary for all Jews to know. That's exactly. So don't learn mussar. If you have half an hour or you have an hour every day, don't learn mussar, right? I mean, it's good to learn mussar, but that's not enough. How we exactly would know how to learn Shabbos? Mussar is needed to boost, to give person a boost. But boost is good, but now he needs to know what to do, right? He also should study the Agada portion of the Talmud. So I mean, he's not very bright, let's say. So Agada he can study, and that's what we actually learned in one class. I have one class on Thursday, right? On Thursday. So we learn Agada. There's a book in Yaakov. This great Rabbi, he compiled all of the stories from the Talmud. So I mean, people enjoy it. I also enjoy it. Okay, it's easy reading, but but it's very deep stories. Okay, Agada, the Medrash, and the Book of Ethics. So Book of Ethics, that's our mussar. Okay, commentary. Simishna Brura 112, and Ashar Hatziyum, who cite Chaye Adam, which says the study Sefarim Mussar, books of ethics, is a greater obligation than studying Mishnayos. So Mishnayos are very good. I mean, me personally, I do learn Mishnayos. But many times, not many times, you cannot derive any loss from Mishnayos. I mean, not on that level. Sometimes I learn Mishnayos with commentary of Rabbi Kihati. That's all, right? Even though he has brilliant explanation and everything is clear, but still you don't know what to do. I mean, does it apply today? Does not apply today? In some cases, he explained more and he said this is final halacha, but it's not his goal to state the final halacha. He just commented on Mishnayos, right? So this Chaye Adam said, if you have a choice, right, Mishnayos or mussar, of course you must go with mussar, because it's give you boost. And now, so mussar with halacha, that's amazing combination. And in other classes, so we do 50-50, right? 50-50. Okay, this book, the first book we'll learn in the beginning of the class is the mussar. Okay, so continue. Book of ethics that are found upon holy mountains. Okay. There's upon midrashim of the sages of blessed memory. Okay, so let me read the whole sentence from the beginning. Sorry. He should also study the Agada portion of the Talmud, the Medrash, and the books of ethics that are found upon the holy mountains. Holy mountains, double quotes. There is upon the midrashim of the sages of the blessed memory. For these studies help to weaken the power of evil inclination. So wherever Torah you learn and you ask HaShem to help you, it doesn't matter, you start with simple things, and you just increase. And praiseworthy is the one who has regular sessions that it never skipped. So whatever you told yourself it's going to be 7 a.m. or it's going to be 8 p.m. or 9 p.m., whatever is it, just do whatever you can not to skip. I'm trying to never cancel class, for example. Never. I mean, of course, when you're sick, but otherwise, try to never do it. Okay, unless, as you said, to study the Sefer, Chok LeIsrael. Okay, following its daily schedule, and whoever increases in the Torah learning, he will merit increased bounty from heaven. No more, no less, right? Whoever increases the Torah learning will merit increased bounty from heaven. So let's see the commentary about this Chok LeIsrael. Chok is a program of the daily Torah study that has been followed by the Jews for many generations. Very interesting. Arranged by Arizal and appended by to Hida. This program includes daily portion of each section of Tanakh, as well as portion of Mishnah, Gemara, Zohar, Halacha, and Mussar. Okay, very interesting. So today, ArtScroll and other publishing, they have a daily dose of Torah. I'm not sure, is it based on Chok Israel or on any other teachings? I'm not sure. Okay.